Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E on your hair. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that offers several fantastic benefits for your scalp and strands. It helps support a healthy scalp by reducing oxidative stress, which can be a common issue. Plus, it can improve blood circulation to your hair follicles, potentially encouraging stronger growth. Its protective properties also shield your hair from daily environmental damage, leaving it looking shinier and feeling much healthier. One popular way to use vitamin E is through direct application. First, mix just a few drops of pure vitamin E oil with a gentle carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil. Then, take about 10 to 15 minutes to gently massage this blend into your scalp. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes, allowing the nutrients to absorb before you shampoo your hair thoroughly. For optimal results, try this nourishing treatment 1 to 2 times every week. You can also easily incorporate vitamin E into your existing hair care routine. Simply add about 5 to 10 drops of vitamin E oil directly into your favorite shampoo or conditioner bottle. Make sure to give the bottle a good shake before each use to ensure the oil is evenly distributed throughout the product. This simple step provides consistent benefits every time you wash your hair, giving it an extra boost of nourishment and protection. Beyond topical applications, remember that a balanced diet rich in vitamin E is also beneficial. Foods like almonds, spinach, and avocados are excellent sources. If you're considering oral supplements, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional first. Also, always perform a small patch test before applying any new product to your scalp to check for sensitivities. Remember, consistency is truly key to seeing noticeable improvements in your hair's overall health and appearance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.